Control versus chaos. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan on this rainy day. Today's topic is about control versus chaos because during these times, we can get very chaotic, and I'm seeing it already. In fact, when I go for walks like this, most times people won't even look at me in the eyes right now. And that shows me that they're very chaotic inside and fearful. And the only thing that we can do is to exert a little bit of control. And the only things we can control are our thoughts, our thinking, and our actions. And so let me reflect for a moment on a blackout. We had a blackout, I don't know how many years, many years, 10 years ago or so, but we had a blackout and we had no power for at least 3 to 5 days. No power at all, nothing. And thankfully it was warm, it was summertime, but the blackout was, pretty substantial. Everybody was shut down, just like it was today, or it is today, except we could go out and interact with each other, and we could share, and we could help each other. So what we did was we shared food, and we cooked on barbecues and so on, and thankfully we had a gas range, so we could cook inside of our own house, and we had hot water. So because we have gas for hot water heating. So we had pretty much everything we needed. But to take control, what we did was we shared with each other. And in fact, just yesterday, my neighborhood did that, and they did some activities with the neighbors and shared. They played some games. They were virtual. Everybody played in their driveway over their phones. There was bingo and some other things. So the key here is, what can you do right now to take a little bit of control over what you have going on? That's all you can do right now, is exert a bit of control and do what you can to make a difference. And your thoughts matter. I mean, your mindset matters so much. I mean, people don't realize that, but what you're thinking matters. And if you're not feeling so good, you know where your thinking's at. It's not going to be a good day for you if your thinking isn't aligned with what you want. And today, you're probably not going to get exactly what you want, but you can at least exert some control over the food you eat and the things you do and the time where you're spending your time. And please, you can watch these videos, and I highly recommend you watch more videos that are helping you move through this situation, but don't get caught up in the media and social media and the negative news, because that's going to be out there and it's going to do what it can, but it's going to be harmful in some cases. So I wouldn't invest too much time and energy in it. Maybe watch some media or some news once or twice, maybe a day, or not at all if you can help it. And then, just engage in watching some videos. Dr. Joe Dispenza has got some great videos. You can learn how to handle these situations. There's many great trainings and videos out there that you can learn from and improve and get control over what you have going on in your life right now. Your thoughts matter, your mindset matters, and I would like to see you move through this situation as best as possible. So, good morning, Paige. Good morning, Tim. So anyway, if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, you can go over there and check it out. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you're feeling. I sincerely, and I'll respond to everybody. And so anyway, make it a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.